Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Narayan and I'm pursuing BA LLB from UPES Dehradun and in my fourth year. So today's topic for my video is the basics of cheating. And before beginning, I like to say that this video does not solicit any types of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. Now let's begin. In this video, we will be knowing about the basics of the cheating as per the Indian Penal Code. Now, section 415 of the IPC talks about cheating. It says that whoever, by deceiving any person fraudulently or dishonestly, induces the person so deceived to deliver any property to any person, or to consent that any person shall retain any property, or intentionally induces the person so deceived to do or omit to do anything which you would not do or omit if you were not so deceived, uh, and which makes a person act or commit an omission which cause or is likely to cause damage or harm to that person in body, mind, reputation, or property is said to cheat. All right. Now let's understand this by a few examples. Now, uh, suppose A falsely pretends to be in the civil services, intentionally deceives Z, and dishonestly induces Z to let him have on credit goods for which he does not mean to pay. Here, A commits the cheating. Now, let's take another example. A, suppose, put a counterfeit mark on an article and intentionally deceive Z into a belief that that article was made by a certain celebrated manufacturer, and thus dishonestly induces Z to buy and pay for the article. Here, A commits cheating. Let's take another example. Suppose A exhibits to Z a false example of an article with an intention to deceive Z and make Z believe that the article corresponds with the samples. Okay. And after that, he dishonestly induces Z to buy that product and pay for the article. Here, A commits cheating. Now, suppose A, by tendering in payment for an article, a bill on house with which A keeps no money, and by which A expects that the bill will be dishonored, intentionally deceives Z and therefore dishonestly induces Z to deliver the article, intending not to pay for it. Here also A cheats. Now, suppose A pledge uh, pledge uh, pledge pledging as diamonds article, which he knows are not diamonds, intentionally deceives Z, and after that he dishonestly induces Z to lend money. Then there also A commits cheating. Suppose A intentionally deceives B into a belief that A means to repay any money that B may lend to him, and after that dishonestly induces B to lend him money, where A's intention was not to repay. Here also A has committed the offense of cheating. Now, let's see another example. Suppose A intentionally deceives B into a belief that A means to deliver B a certain quantity of indigo plant, whereas B does not intend to deliver that, and thereby he dishonestly induces B to advance money upon the faith of such delivery. Here also commits cheating. But suppose if A, at the time of obtaining the money, intends to deliver the indigo plant and afterwards breaks his contract and does not deliver it, then here he will not be said to be then here he will not be committing the offense of cheating, but will be liable for the civil action for breach of contract. All right. Now let's see what is the provision regarding the cheating and dishonestly inducing delivery of property. So as per the section 420 of the IPC, it states that whoever cheats and thereby dishonestly induces the person deceived to deliver any property to any person, or to make, alter, or destroy the whole or any part of a valuable security or anything which is signed or sealed and which and which is capable of being converted into a valuable security shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 7 years and shall also be liable to fine. Also, the section 403 of the IPC says that whoever dishonestly misappropriates or converts to his own use any movable property, then that person shall also be punishable for a term which may extend to 2 years, or with fine, or with both. Thank you very much.